Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's check out how to make this 4 steps infographics. So please stay tuned. Okay, we have a rectangle already inserted in the middle. Now let's insert an arrow. Okay, stretch it a little from here as well, make it broader. Right, now insert a rectangle with one side rounded, put it here, make it more rounded on this side, increase the transparency, make sure that curve is actually passing through the edge. Duplicate this, put it here, it should occupy the same space on the arrow. It should be like a proper rectangle. Go to format and then click on subtract. Great. Now we have this arrow ready. Reduce the size. Now insert another rectangle, place it here. Just increase the transparency to see. Okay, then subtract this also. Great, now we have the arrow which is ready. Great, so we need these arrows. Select them, let's make 4 copies. Place it aside. Now let's go ahead and make a new shape. Let's insert, yes, this rectangle with rounded corners. Need one more rectangle, place it on top here, stretch it to cover the right part. Select and subtract. Okay, now we need one more rectangle to chop off this part. Great. That's it. The second shape is also ready. Now let's go ahead and quickly place them on the top of the rectangle. The inner shape should have a darker version of the color and the outer one to give it a effect. Now let's give some shadows. Alright, the shadows are done. Now let's put some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 4 arrows. Okay. The numbers are done. Let's remove this palette. Now let's insert the text boxes for the 4 steps. Right, then the icons. Let's quickly insert 4 icons. You can insert icons the way you want, the one that corresponds with the steps. So icons are done. Now let's insert the connectors, the lines here. Make it black. Okay, for all the 4 steps. Alright, the connectors are done. The last step is to insert the title. So you can insert your title. Alright, so that is it guys. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.